Parking mode at night. We have the Viofo A229 Pro at the top and the Vueroid D21 4K at the bottom. This is motion detection. And in this first example, we're just going to move around, see if the video actually captures it, which as you can see, is completely normal. And as you've seen in the daytime video footage, the actual Viofo had about 13 seconds of buffered recording. The Vueroid had 6 seconds. This was the same thing here. We did cut out a lot of that though for this video. Now, for this, we're now going to make an impact in the motion detection mode to see what ends up happening. So we actually hit right next to the Vueroid. The Vueroid does take that video and put it into event file folder. And then we hit directly at the Viofo A229 Pro, but surprisingly, the Viofo doesn't actually lock the video and save it. Now, I'd like to hear your comments. Do you think that's a valid impact for a vehicle? Do you think the dash camera should be saving that? Now, here we are in time-lapse mode at 1 frame per second. And now we're going to go and make an impact to the vehicle. And the interesting part is, as usual, you can see the Vueroid has gone to 30 frames per second because it detected an impact. While the Viofo did lock the video this time at 1 frame per second, but it didn't change anything and go to 30 frames per second and turn audio on like the Vueroid has capabilities of doing. Now at the top, we have low bit rate for the Viofo and low power mode, which means the Vueroid will only wake up once an impact is made. And there we go. There's the impact. 2 seconds later, the Vueroid is now recording. And like we said earlier, the Vueroid is in ultra night vision and the Viofo is in HDR turned on. Tell me what you think in the comments. Which one do you think did better? I'd be interested to hear your opinion. And the low bitrate mode did lock the video this time. Just surprisingly, auto event detection did not.